welcome to the channel. Today I am going to discuss about the skeletal system. So have you ever wondered how our body would be like in a perfect internal framework? That because of our skeletal system. The skeletal system is a rigid internal framework. So because of the presence of skeletal system, our body has the structure, the proper structure, and even is providing the protection to the internal organs. And the skeletal bones are actually providing many functions, like it's storing our minerals like phosphorus, calcium, and even help for the formation of blood cells. So there are many functions are there for our skeletal system. So let's begin with the skeletal system. The skeletal system consists or divided into two parts or the divisions you can say. So there are two divisions are there: axial skeletal system and the appendicular skeletal system. In the axial skeletal system, total 80 bones are there, and in the appendicular skeletal system there are 126 bones are there. So total in the adult human there are 126 bones are there. So in the axial skeletal bones, it consists of our skull, the entire skull. And next here we can see the vertebral column or the vertebral bones. Total 26 bones are there. And here one more bone is there, that is hyoid bone, which is not connected with or articulated with any of other bones. And auditory ossicles or the ear bones. Total 6 bones are there. Okay, so in the facial bones there are total 14 facial bones are there. So let's begin with the facial bones. In the facial bones, the chewable bone, this is the only bone which is moving, that is the mandible bone. So here you can see the mandible, and in the upper jaw you can see the maxilla. So, and in the eyes, the eyeballs we say that you can call it as the lacrimal bones. So here you can see the two lacrimal bones. Here you can see, and then the inferior nasal concha. Inferior nasal concha is inside, like in the internal structure you can't see, and we are able to smile at everyone, right? Very beautifully. That because of our cheekbones. The cheekbones are the zygomatic bone. So here we can see the zygomatic bone. There are two zygomatic bones are there. Next here we can see the palatine, and the middle you can see the vomer. So there are total 14 facial bones are there. Next comes to the skull bones. In the skull bones, the front side you can see that is frontal bone. Only one frontal bone is there. So from here to till here you can see the frontal bone. Next here you can see the parietal bone. The parietal bone. This entire part is parietal bone. Next in the temporal bone, and the back side you can see the occipital bone. And Ethmoid and Sphenoid inside. Again, the facial bones are 14 and the skull, also the cranial bones are total 8 bones are there. The frontal bone, the parietal, occipital, the back side, ethmoid and sphenoid inside, and the ear part you can see the temporal bones. So total our skull bones are completed. Next up, the auditory ossicles. In the auditory ossicles there are 3 bones are there in each side. So Malleus, Incus, Stapes. So these are the auditory ossicles. Next up, here we can see the hyoid bone. Hyoid bone is not connected with any of other bones. So it is a which will help for the movement of our tongue. That is hyoid bones. So comes into the vertebral bones. In the vertebral bones, it begins with the cervical bones. There are 7 cervical bones are there. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First 7 bones are cervical bones. So after the cervical bone, you can see 12 thoracic bones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 thoracic bones, and next the lumbar bones begins. There are 5 lumbar bones are there, and the next one is the sacral bones, and your tail bone you can see the tail bone is the coccygeal bone. So or coccyx you can call. So there are total 26 vertebral bones are there. In the case if it is not fused, then you can consider there are 33 pairs of vertebral bones are there. So comes to the rib bones. We have almost completed the skull bones, hyoid bone, auditory ossicles and the vertebral bones. Next to the ribs or the rib cage we used to say. So the rib cage in the middle, the bone you can see, that is the sternum. So here we can see the sternum, and the sternum is connected with other bones. These are the long bones. Here you can see. So this 12 pairs of rib cage is protecting our lungs and even the heart. So here we can see, and even the rib cage are divided into again 3 types. True ribs and the false ribs, and there also you can see the floating ribs. So the axial skeletal bones are completed. Axial total 80 bones are there. It's very simple. Next comes the appendicular skeletal bones. In the appendicular skeletal system, there are 126 bones are there. So if we can start with the shoulder bones. The back side you can see the scapula. The front side you can see the clavicle. So there's a thing we used to say that the beauty bone. The beauty bone is the clavicle, and the back side you can see the scapula. And next to the bone you can see the upper limbs. So in the upper limbs you can see the humerus bone. The humerus and radius and ulna. Next you can see the carpal, metacarpal and the tarsals. These are the phalanges. So carpal, metacarpal and even the phalanges bones. Humerus, radius and ulna. Next the carpal, metacarpal and the phalanges. So comes to the lower limbs. In the lower limbs you can see the lowest bone in our human body, that is the femur bone. So the femur, and here you can see the tibia and fibula, carpal bones, tarsal, metatarsal and the phalanges bone. Again the femur bone you can see here, and the tibia and fibula, tarsal, metatarsal and the phalanges bones. And the middle of this bone you can see the calf bones, the joint calf, that you can call as the patella. And the lower limbs and the upper limbs are completed, and here we can see the pelvic bones. So the pubic part you can see. So these 3 bones are combined to form the hip bones. So these are the 126 bones which are present in our human body. So I hope it will be easier for you to remember the bones name now. So thank you for watching my video.